guys are gonna enjoy the new look of it. We got our CF Moto mat down, got everything all cleaned and organized. We got our CF Moto oil filter. Video coming soon on that. There's CF Moto has their own brand of oil coming, and I'm getting a case of it. We have all of our other stuff, our Maxima side-by-side oils, our Mobile One, that's for my truck. We have our rear diff fluid. That's another thing. CF Moto has their own diff fluid and transmission fluid coming. We have our AMS oil, severe gear. We have it all under here, ladies and gentlemen. We have something new coming to this wall here. It's coming, so I got to move some things because it's going to take up a lot of that wall. So you guys have to stay tuned for what that is. But that's what the workshop looks like now. Now we just have to get over here on this side of the garage and get all the CF Moto parts, wheel spacers, and all that stuff organized. CF Moto rims and tires organized. We have all that stuff to go through. The control arms for Laura's EX swap. We have speakers. We have new mirrors. We got belts, muffkins, spacers. We have CF Moto bushings, all kinds of new bolts, and I mean, we have a lot of parts to go through and organize. But the part that's going to be on video is this. So we're doing it slowly but surely. It's coming along. Our drill press, it's been back here for a minute. We got all of our drill bits. Well, actually not all, but some. I got to go through those, and well, there's drill bits. We got hole saw bits. We got tubing notcher machine there. Put our speaker over there so we can hang our Redneck Garage flag as well as our American flag. We got our Redneck Lives Matters flag hanging up there. Got our deep cycle battery out of the camper. I got to get that on charge. It's fine right now, but it's going to need charge. And our Z950 exhaust that we're going to modify. I already got a guy that's going to try it out. So yeah, and we got some stuff coming to the to the golf cart. We got some stuff that we want to do to that as well this winter. So we might actually work on that real soon. I got to get a better mark, but finally figured out a board that we can put all the Patreon's names on and all the channel members' names on. So if you have become a channel member, your name will be on this board. If you are a Patreon, your name will be on this board. I believe my channel member, some of them are actually cheaper than the Patreons, but check them both out, whatever you want to do. So I will start putting names on this board, and then once it's full, we'll maybe paint a board over here and keep going or whatever we got to do. So let me know if you want your name up there, and we'll put it up there if you're a Patreon or a channel member. I got to go through and figure out who is who, and then I'm going to start adding them on there as soon as I get a better marker, because I tried to put Patreons, but this marker just is garbage. It's a no good, no show. So finally, we got our heater going out here. Man, this sucker puts off some heat. She has a fan. It's not really that cold out here today, but I wanted to see if that fan kicked on and whatnot. Let's get ready for the cold weather, because I'll be able to come out here and turn this thing on. But man, is it jank. Jank. So I took a regulator off of a grill because I bought this thing brand new off of a friend. It was in the box, and I had to get all the fittings. I got all the fittings. I plumbed it the right way, the correct way. And then the regulator inside there, it started leaking. So it had a faulty regulator, but it was so old that there's no warranty or nothing on it. So I just took that regulator out of there, and then I just rubber hosed it. I mean, this thing's not going to be off unattended or anything. I'm going to be right here with it, and I'll be able to shut everything off. Plus, the splicing is done after the regulator, so I'm not all that afraid of anything. But so yeah, it got working. It's just jank. It's for testing purposes, and it'll be fine, right? So right here's that regulator I was telling you about. Now, I tried looking this up. You can buy these, but you can only buy them for natural gas. I haven't found a propane one that has the identical fittings, because there's two different fittings here. I have the fittings written down what I needed, but the thing is you can't find them with them same fittings. So I just kind of gave up. This little guy right here was only 20 bucks, and I wish I could have just found the right one, but I can't. So it is what it is, but we're just going to go with Jank Nation and send it. Full send, right? Full send. I just turned it off, so. But that's what's up out here today. Cleaning and getting ready. Sure is looking nice around here. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching this one. Hopefully we can have something more constructive for you. But I'm really trying to get this shop organized and in the state that it needs to be in, because it wasn't bad before, but I like things to be organized. I have a hard time working when things are not organized. It just drives me nuts. So it's been driving me nuts for a very long time, and I got to spend time doing that, and then we'll get back to the regular show. So, all right, guys, we're going to give you a walkthrough of pretty much the finished product. It's looking real good. We got things organized. Oh, yes. We went through these shelves the best we could, but I'm going to work on putting something on that back wall, and we're going to get some really nice shelves to go all the way across there so we can get that all organized and just looking even better yet. But it's good enough for right now. After all, it is a garage, not a mansion. So there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I worked hard out here today. Can't wait to get this sucker uploaded for you guys. It just looks way better, I think. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any ideas on what else I could do out here to just make it that more appealing on video. I know we don't always look at that corner, but I look at that corner. The camera may never, but I do, and it just drives me nuts, all that clutter. But nothing I can really do about it. Got all the machines in their spots, because we're going to be doing the 500 trail to 500 EX swap. That baby's going to be 65 inches wide when she's all done, but we're waiting on a few more parts from Main Street Cycle. If you need any parts for CF Moto machines, definitely check out Main Street Cycle and let them guys help you and assist you in what you may need. And if you're curious and you want to see this build, definitely consider sticking around to the channel and check it out, because it's going to be awesome. We already have our control arms, and we have our axles. We have everything we need except for 2 axles and 2 shocks. Everything else we already have. That's it for this one, guys. Hopefully you'll think about sticking around, like, sharing, subscribing, checking out the channel. I got a couple of things that we might do a video on later next week probably, or maybe during the weekend. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. And because I want to get that generator running. And that'd be a good video for us to do, I think. We want to do that while we're waiting on parts for that. And then on top of that, we still have quite a bit of stuff we want to do to this thing. So if you're interested in that golf cart build, definitely stick around, because we're going to be working on it some more also this winter. Peace out and God bless, guys. We'll see you in the next